Have you received an Instagram message with a cool animated effect and wondered how to send one yourself? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to add special effects to messages on Instagram. Now let's get started. First, make sure you've updated your Instagram app to the newest available version. Then open Instagram and go to the direct message conversation you'd like to send a message in. Type in the message you want to send. Then tap the magnifying glass icon on the left. At the top of this menu, you'll see options for effects you can add to your message, like hearts, confetti, and flames. Tap the effect you'd like to add. Your message will send automatically. That's all it takes to add special effects to Instagram messages. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.